Hardware troubleshooting. Issue 1. Keyboard errors message is displayed on the screen. Solution. A. Check whether the keyboard is plugged into the computer securely. If not, plug in and reboot the computer. Also make sure it is not connected to the mouse jack instead of keyboard jack. B. If problem is not solved, power down the computer and try to borrow a friend's known good keyboard for troubleshooting. Plug the new keyboard up and boot up the computer. If the new keyboard works, the old keyboard is faulty and needs to be replaced. C. If still there is a problem, check your BIOS to make sure it sees the keyboard. It should say installed. If the BIOS recognizes the keyboard, then you probably have a bad keyboard port. Keyboard maintenance tips. A. Keyboards should be cleaned with spray and wipe cleaner and a cloth or tissue on a monthly basis. Ensure that computer is not powered up while cleaning the keyboard. B. If you spill any liquid in the keyboard, turn it upside down. Drain all the water out of the keyboard. Shake it if necessary. You may use a hairdryer to dry out area under the keys. Note: too much heat can damage the electrical components. Be cautious. Issue 3. Printer is not working. Solution. A. First, make sure that the printer is on. When a printer is on, it should have some light on, usually green, that indicates that the printer is receiving power and is on. B. If you do not have any indicator light, make sure the printer is connected to a working power outlet by verifying each end of the power cable. Next, press the printer power button. C. Make sure that there is paper in the printer. D. See that there is not a paper jam. If there is, open the front of the printer and carefully guide the paper through. Then close the printer lid and try printing again. What is troubleshooting? You all must have come across problems like computer running too slow or hanging momentarily many a times in a day. Every time this happens, we feel like banging head on the table if it occurs in the middle of something important. But that's not the solution. Troubleshooting is the answer to all such problems. Troubleshooting is a form of correction most often applied to repair of failed products or processes. It is a logical, systematic search for the source of a problem so that it can be solved and so the product or process can be made operational again. Troubleshooting is needed to develop and maintain complex systems where the symptoms of a problem can have many possible causes. Troubleshooting requires identification of the malfunction within a system. Then, experience is commonly used to generate possible causes of the problem. After the cause has been determined, it becomes easy to eliminate the problem and restore the system to its original state. Troubleshooting in Windows XP. Even though Windows is a highly user-friendly software, problems still occur due to negligence of users or their diversion from the protocols set for usage of software. Troubleshooting plays a very important role in this regard. Windows provides its own troubleshooting tool to help users with basic problems. Some of the commonly encountered problems are shown below, along with solutions for them. Issue 1. Why do Windows programs stop responding? Additional information. A computer, operating system, software program, or driver may stop responding or cause other programs to stop responding because of several possible reasons, such as a confliction of software or hardware resources between two programs, lack of system resources, or a bug in the software or drivers. Solution. To recover from a program that has stopped responding, you can generally press the Ctrl plus Alt plus Del keys on your keyboard to open the Close Program window or open the Window Task Manager window and click the End Task button to terminate the program. If another window opens, click the End Now button again to confirm stopping that program. Note, if any work has not been saved, it will be lost, most likely during the tasking of program.